Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Code with Nipmana. So friends, the series that we have already started, e-commerce using Vue.js as frontend and Laravel as backend. So in the previous videos we have completed brand, size, color and home banner. So in today video we just complete that text part. So basically what happened in tax, in every country there is a regime of tax, means it every product there is a different state, like some of the product has having 18% tax. In India there is a GST which is like uh, if we have total some total of 18% tax, that means 9% the tax should be considered as center tax and 9% should be considered as a state tax. So it is 8 plus 8 sorry 9 plus 9 is equal to 18%. So it is same as in other countries, whatever the percentage of the tax it should be considered, like the tax of the product should be vary from like 5%, 7%, 8%, 9%, 10%, 12%, 15%, 18%, like and so on. So in today's video we'll complete the tax crowd operation. So we quickly open the terminal, and knew we already know the whole process. So what we'll do, we'll go to the sidebar, and after brand, after I think color should go. So after color we'll create this one, admin slash tax, tax. So we have to write admin slash tax, right? So close this, and in route just copy this and paste this. Just remove this index and update tax, tx tax. Now we have to make a controller. So simply write php artisan make controller, uh, controller. It should be, the path should be admin slash tax controller. Hit enter, it creates a text controller. So what we have to do, we just simply copy the things from the size controller. So yes, it is same as it is. So we just copy some of the things like API response validator from this to this. Just open the text controller like this and this. Now we have to create a model and a migration. So simply write php artisan make model tax migration. Hit enter, it will create the migration and model. So firstly create the migration. So in the text we only need a string table which is known as dollar table string text tax. It should be null level, right? Save it and hit php artisan create, hit enter. After that we have to add few things to the text model. So we'll simply copy from the size like this only, protected variable property. Why we need the textured protected variable? Because sometime we have to make the past entry, sorry, a mass entry in bulk entry, or we can say that for the bulk entries we have to add the fillable properties, like it automatically fillable, so it makes the process fast, right? So open the controller and replace the size with text. One, and I also do this 1 2 and 3. Also port the tax model over here. So it should be written as tax slash tax tax, and everything looks fine. Save this, close this, and now we have to create a view file. So for the view file, we already have a command, that is php artisan make admin table view and our view name. So it is already we have defined the admin path. So php artisan make admin table data table, so it should be inside text slash text enter. So it creates, I think, yes, it actually creates the text inside text. So we need this thing size, so I'll copy all the thing and paste over there. Simply wherever the size has been written, size text and size. So just check some of the things. Tax update size tax. Okay, text, this is good, this is okay. So now, yes, this one also replace the sizes with texts, although it deletes the id from the sizes table. So it is okay, it is okay. Create tags, import tags. We only have two fields over here. So check this, save dot id and tags. Okay, okay, save this. Now just check it. Refresh. Admin at the gmail.com 1234. Sign in. Successfully login. Click on tags. How it actually shows the data? How it actually shows the data? So when I hover the text, it actually goes to the text. Okay, now I got it. So it actually goes from the blend controller. We have to write text controller, this one. That's why just make a refresh. Yes, now create tags. The value should be like 18% as it's in India. So successfully submit. Again. Okay, there is one more thing, I think. Text controller. So URL should be tax, this one. So again, go to the tags. Yes, we have created it. I'll create one more tags. It be 10. Save changes. Now it successfully update and show the changes on the same page. Updated from 10 to 20. Save changes. Yes, now it works fine. So here we done the process of taxes. So it's a very simple process, as we already defined all the things, all the files, and the process is as simple as it is. So in the next video we'll continue with the attributes of the product, right? So hope you like this video. If you like this, do like, hit the like button and do subscribe our channel. Thank you.